Hi, thank you guys for coming to Moms on the Go. So this is our official trailer. We thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. So I created Moms on the Go, the actual website, years ago, probably back in, oh gosh, 1999 or 2000, a long time ago. And Moms on the Go wasn't ever thought of back then. And so we had a website, then we changed it to our blog. And so now we've changed the concept a whole lot since my kids have grown up and everything. And so we are branding ourselves in different ways now. So on Moms on the Go YouTube channel, we will be featuring a lot of stuff, right? Moms, we're all over the place. I know I'm all over the place, but I know that this is like a niche society, and a lot of people prefer like certain things. But what our channel consists of at this point, we have freelance tutorials where we teach you guys how to do certain things, to have your own business, whether it's learning how to navigate YouTube or navigate different apps or different programs, software programs. We teach you guys how to do all of that. So we're multi-talented in that aspect. We also, besides the tutorials, we have like how-to videos. If there's something that I figure out and I think, you know what, I'm going to make a video on that, and maybe somebody else needs to know how to do that as well, then I will make a video on that as well. So, for instance, like a key fob, man, I did not know how to change a battery on a key fob, much less the name key fob. So, teach you how to do that. And we have our cooking segments called Cooking in the Kitchen, and the Cooking in the Kitchen segment basically is lots of meals, different meals that I prepare, quick meals. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, though I love to cook, but I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I like quick, fast, but good. Okay, so we have a lot of meals during our cooking segment. If you want to learn how to cook certain things, and you might want to check that playlist out. We have them separated in different playlists for you. And then we also have our product reviews. So anything that we like that we want to try out, or if you guys decide you want to try something out, let us know. We're going to start doing a lot more product reviews, whether it's makeup or body fragrances or washes or hair things, whatever. We're going to have a lot of that, and who knows if we think of other things to put on there. It's like I said, multifaceted channel, and we want you guys to become part of our group. You do not have to be a mom, and we take everyone, whether you're a dad, whether you're single, whether you're a young person, whatever. Our channel has a lot of things for you. So make sure that you stay here and that you continue coming back, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. We're here. We love to chat with you. Any information that you might want to see, let us know. We're thinking of also maybe putting videos on about tutorials for like math problems and stuff for kids, for high schoolers or whatever. Anything that you think of. Okay, so let us know, and we'll be glad to put that information on there. But anyway, we thank you guys for being here, and make sure you share our channel with everybody else. And that's what our channel is about. Bye, and God bless.